Hello, and welcome to Ajayastra Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today we'll be discussing the recent movements in the Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT, wheat futures. On Thursday, CBOT wheat futures saw a significant bounce. This was primarily driven by short covering and bargain buying after a decline earlier in the week. The initial drop was due to strong global crop expectations and progressing harvest conditions in the US, as reported by traders. Market sentiment is currently focused on the upcoming supply and demand reports from the US Department of Agriculture, USDA, expected on Friday. These reports are anticipated to show increases in US wheat ending stocks and production projections for the 2024-25 season. In its latest weekly report, the USDA noted that US wheat export sales for the week ending July 4 were at 240,400 metric tons. This figure fell below the trade expectations, which ranged from 300,000 to 700,000 tons. Additionally, international demand remained subdued due to improved prospects for Russian yields, which further influenced market dynamics. Let's take a closer look at how the futures closed. CBOT September soft red winter wheat rose by 9 cents, closing at $5.71 per bushel. KC September hard red winter wheat increased by 18 cents, settling at $5.83 per bushel. MGEX September spring wheat climbed by 7 cents, last trading at $6.18 per bushel. In other news, official data released on Friday indicated that China's summer wheat production saw a 2.7% increase this year, reaching 138.22 million metric tons. Despite facing extreme heat in key grain-growing regions during the harvest season, China managed to boost production, rebounding from the lower yields caused by heavy rains last year. The National Bureau of Statistics also reported a slight 0.1% increase in wheat acreage and a 2.6% rise in yields. As we await the USDA's reports, the market's focus remains on global wheat supply and demand dynamics, which will undoubtedly influence future price movements in the CBOT wheat futures market. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastra Guru. Stay updated with us for the latest in commodity analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.